Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the May 2023 Bargain Bead Box. The theme for this month is Cloudburst, and the description reads as follows. Inspired by moody spring skies and the beauty of a rainy day, this collection stars natural quartz crystal and antique copper finish components. Agate, apatite, crystal, and glass beads complete this palette, while a bold quartz focal, textured rollo chain, and several sizes of round links create numerous design opportunities.
Hi guys, and I have to tell you, I love big bulky stuff, and this collection so far is my favorite this year. And we're going to start with
Number 1 is a 7-inch strand of 10mm dyed heated matte gray crackle agate beads.
It's a stunning. Look at the crackles on those beads. Beautiful. Once again, you can make one bracelet and it looks stunning and beautiful. And number 2 is?
Number 2, 37mm wavy rondelle spacer beads made of antique copper finish pewter alloy. And this is lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
And look how thin this is. Very, very thin. Very pretty. The design is beautiful. And number 3 is?
Number 3, a 10-inch strand of 7.5 by 4mm matte glass cylinder beads, crystal AB.
It is so pretty. It changed color when you move them. It is very nice. I love barrel beads too. And number 4 is?
Number 4 is a natural rough quartz crystal and copper pendant, which is made of an antique copper finished pewter alloy.
And look how beautiful. Look how pretty. I love it. It's big. You see, this is what I mean. I love pieces like this.
So this is also lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
Yes, it's so pretty. And it comes with the jump rings that you can leave it as part of the design, or you can just use them to attach the chain. And it's very, very nice. And number 5 is?
Number 5 is a 7.5-inch strand of natural quartz crystal rough nugget beads.
Yes, look how pretty. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. They're so big and beautiful and bulky. And look how pretty if you make a bracelet. Just a simple bracelet. You don't have to make complicated designs. They just help you put together something simple. But I like to create. So, but if you don't like to create, you can do simple stuff with it. And number 6 is?
Number 6 is an approximate 24-inch strand of 7mm textured steel rollo jewelry chain, which is nickel-free and lead-free.
And look how pretty. This is a big chain. It's not that big. I like bigger than this, but this is big enough. It's pretty. You can use this chain for this big stone. And it's so pretty. And number 7 is?
Number 7 is an approximate 48-piece 4mm crystal faceted cubic cylinder beads. Betrayal.
I love cute. This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that bead. And it changed color. It changed color when you move them. It is very shiny. Very, very shiny. It's so nice to have those. And number 8 is?
Number 8 is a 14-inch strand of 8 by 7 millimeter faceted crackled glass lantern beads.
Look at the shape of these beads. They're so pretty. Look how cute. And it's a good amount for a 14 inches necklace. And I just look at these two together. You can make something nice and put the cubes in between this and it will look so pretty. And number 9 is?
Number 9 is 5 grams of mixed 4 to 10 millimeter brass jump rings, antique copper, and are nickel free.
Yeah, and you need every size. It depends on the design that you're using. Very nice. And they're like, the thickness is good. They're not thin, they're thick. And number 10 is?
Number 10, 26 8 millimeter and 14 millimeter round donut link mix, which is made of an antique copper finish pewter alloy and is nickel free, lead free, and cadmium free.
And look how pretty. This is nice. They're not open. They're like closed jump ring, and you can use them as link and you can attach it with the open rings. It's very pretty. You can even make designs with it like that. That could be a pendant. That's very pretty. And number 11 is?
Number 11 is 6 22 millimeter wavy donut links, which are also made of an antique copper finished pewter alloy and are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free as well.
How cute. And they're thin. They're not thick. Well, they're thick for what it is, but they're not like that thick. They're pretty. And these, you can also use it. If you put the jump rings, the small ones in between, you can make a bracelet. And you can make a necklace. You can make anything you want to create. This is very pretty. And number 12 is?
Number 12 is a 30-piece strand of 7 millimeter English cut half matte crystal beads, slate vitriol.
Yeah, the design, the style on the beads are very, very pretty. Very, very nice. They change colors too. They're like grayish and clear. And it gives you like a green tone too, if you see it right there. It's very pretty. Number 13 is?
13 is an approximate 4-inch mini strand of natural apatite nugget beads.
Aw, look how cute. They're so pretty. Very, very nice. They're beautiful. Gorgeous. You can use this one with this too. The combination is very nice. Number 14.
Number 14 is two 25 by 36 millimeter heavy duty toggle clasps, which are made of an antique copper finished pewter alloy and are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free.
This is so pretty. And this is what I like. Big chunky stuff. This is so pretty. It makes your design so unique. It is so nice. I can't wait to use them. And number 15.
Number 15, 10 grams of 45 millimeter 21 gauge brass eye pins, antique copper, and they are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free.
Yeah, and you use them for everything. You know, you use them for necklaces, for bracelets, for earrings. So it's very good to have them. Number 16.
16 is a 3-piece set of electroplated natural quartz crystal rough point pendants.
And this is so cute. You can use the middle one to make a necklace and then use the other two to make earrings. They're gonna be not exactly the same because this is like bigger than that one. Or you can just use them for a pendant. And it's very nice. And number 17.
Number 17 is an approximate 10.5-inch strand of natural apatite chip beads.
Look at they're so beautiful, and the color combination is very nice, very pretty. I love it. This one is not a good amount to make a simple necklace, but you can combine different materials and make one beautiful one with all that. Beautiful, stunning.
And this was everything in the May 2023 Bargain Bead Box. Coming up, a few pieces we created using these same items. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, comment down below, share our videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.